So full time here at Park Avenue, it's Aberystwyth Town 4 at Rhyl. I'm here with manager Matthew Bishop. Matt, for a game we wanted everyone to come down to, that was quite remarkable, wasn't it?
Yeah, listen, firstly we've got to give great credit to Tony and the board and everyone involved that's put this this project together, and we've put such a great pitch and made Park Avenue such a wonderful place to play. I think we managed to train on it during the week, and I know it inspired the players. The players liked the surface, and it was wonderful to be at home. This is the first time a lot of the players have been here. In terms of we've played 17 away games up until this point, and I'm delighted the fact that we've got the 3 points first and foremost, obviously scoring the 4 goals, but as important is another clean sheet, and I think it's the first time for probably about 6 games where we've had our full squad, and as I said, it's always going to be important, our home form, and what a great way to start.
We've spoken a few times when we've been doing these interviews, and you said we haven't had that clinical edge, and we had that clinical edge in 2 10-minute periods today.
Yeah, I mean, listen, it started off with Chris's wonderful goal. I think that'll get played on social media up and down the land, and deservedly so, because I thought it was fantastic bit of skill and vision from him, and then to execute it as well from that distance was fantastic, and I think that set us up. The first goal has always been important for us, and then obviously Jeff's scored, and then we've got Luke's chipped in with 2. I was a little bit disappointed that he was coming off because he wanted to go for his hat-trick, but we just felt that it was time to freshen things up. But yeah, pleased.
A near faultless performance, a faultless night. Slight disappointment seeing Chris Jones and Jeff Carey come off with slight niggles.
Yeah, no, Chris has been ill during the week, and he was feeling a little bit before the game, but obviously I think once he got started and we scored, I think he got that little bit of energy left, but I think just towards the end his energy levels were dropping, and it was the right thing to do. And we've got good players to come back onto the pitch. Jeff has turned his ankle, rolled his ankle a little bit, but I'm hoping that he'll be in a good position, and he'll be available next weekend. So we just got, Fee's got to do a bit of work on him now this week and try and get him fit, but it seemed to be easing up, so maybe he's just opened the ankle up a little bit.
And a crowd of 1,168,
wow.
Biggest crowd we've had in 15 years. How big a part was that for tonight?
Well, listen, I think that's that's credit to the town. I always said this when I first came. I think it's a massive club, and it's got great support. Living in the town, I know how important the football club is to everybody, and it was our job firstly to try and make sure that we got a result here tonight, and I asked the players to put performance on, and I think we got that. Probably second half, we had a good first half. Second half, they grew into the game and probably took control of it. We lost a little bit of our shape, but I think once the third goal went in, that was it, and it was done. And thank you for everybody turning up. Hopefully they've gone home happy. And look forward to next Sunday against London now.
I'm talking about that game next Sunday again. Alan Morgan, next Aberystwyth Town manager, coming back here, and we've got the result against them last time round. So we'll be looking for revenge. So it should be a good game. Well,
listen, it's another game now, and we've won this one, and we'll part that now. We've done the job, and we mustn't get carried away with the result, because the important thing is the next game. And Llandudno have got lots of threats. They've got some great players in the team. They've picked up in terms of form. But as I said before, it's about making this place a fortress and making it difficult for whoever comes here. Irrespective of who they are in the league. And as I say, if I can keep everyone fit, and we get that belief, and we get everyone behind the team, and everyone in the town behind the team, then hopefully we'll have a lot more days and evenings like this.
Bish, many congratulations. Thank you for your time.